Methuselah is known as the oldest man recorded in the Bible, living an incredible 969 years. Genesis 5:27. He was the son of Enoch, the man who walked with God and was taken by God without seeing death. Methuselah later became the grandfather of Noah. He lived during the time when humanity was multiplying on the earth, but wickedness was increasing. His lifetime stretched right up to the year of the Great Flood. Many believe he died in the same year the flood began, marking the end of an era. Although the Bible doesn't give many personal details about his actions, Methuselah represents the final generation before God's judgment through the flood. Lesson: his story reminds us that God is patient. Even during long years of human corruption, there was still time before judgment came.